Extenuate is a verb that means to lessen the seriousness or severity of something, often by providing excuses or mitigating circumstances. It is commonly used in contexts where someone attempts to explain or justify an action, particularly one that might otherwise be seen as blameworthy. Origins of extenuate. The word extenuate comes from the Latin extenuare, meaning to make thin or to reduce, which is derived from ex, out of or beyond, and tenuis, thin or slight. In its original sense, it referred to physically making something thinner or less substantial. Over time, its meaning expanded metaphorically to include diminishing the seriousness of situations or actions. How to use extenuate. Extenuate is often paired with the word circumstances to form the phrase extenuating. Circumstances, referring to conditions that partially excuse or justify questionable behavior. While its usage is formal, it is widely understood in both legal and everyday contexts. Example sentences. The judge acknowledged the extenuating circumstances that led to the defendant's actions. He tried to extenuate his lateness by blaming the heavy traffic, while her apology was sincere. It didn't fully extenuate the harm caused by her words. Similar words mitigate, to make something less severe or painful. Justify, to provide a reason for explanation that defends an action. Palliate, to reduce the severity of something, often without addressing its root cause. Nuances of extenuate. Extenuate often implies that while the severity of an action or event may be reduced, it is not entirely excused. For instance, extenuating circumstances might explain why a rule was broken, but don't necessarily absolve the person from responsibility. The term carries a sense of partial justification, emphasizing understanding rather than complete absolution. In essence, extenuate underscores the complexity of judgment, reminding us to consider context and nuance when evaluating actions or decisions. It highlights the importance of balancing accountability with empathy. Subscribe.